Hey there, I'm Dr. Ruth Roberts, your pet's ally. I hope that you are all having a great day and that Thanksgiving was good and easy and the upcoming holidays aren't getting too frenetic for you. So, got a couple of great questions. So, I'm going to pop over and to the Facebook group. So, Brenda's asking about a couple of things. One is blending and texture and things of that nature. And Brenda, what I would say is if your pet doesn't like it, then you need to get it into the texture that they do like. And so just, you can take a potato masher, you can pre-cut the food and feed it like that. Just make sure you mix it super well. And then in terms of microwaves, um, there's a lot of stuff out there about, is it good? Is it bad? What is it? And so what I'm going to do is take you over to this article. And there are some problems with microwaves. And in fact, there was a study that showed that it it did actually remove a lot of the nutrients from broccoli. And this one's a little bit older, this article, but it does create issues. It does destroy vitamins. It creates carcinogens. Something and if you're microwaving in plastic, you're pulling in basically the BPA's, the PETs, things of that nature. So all sorts of nasty stuff. It also alters the structures of proteins, and so that may make it different. But in humans, this has been super interesting. What they found is that there was decreased red blood cells while white cell levels increased, which generally means inflammation along with cholesterol levels. And so again, more inflammation. So I think, if you can avoid it, it is best because you're doing your level best to help your pet be healthier. And so, if you can add a little warm water just to take the chill off. Really, if you're going to microwave it, when we were doing that for our cats, we tried to do it for no more than 10 seconds. And then we used food bowls that actually had rubberized bottoms so that they were stainless steel. We could put it in the um, we could put it in the microwave without a problem because there was a rubber mat in between the stainless steel bowl and the microwave itself. So the deal is that as long as the metal isn't touching, that tends to prevent any of the exciting sparking issues. And then, Lolly, if your pup is super, super sick and having nasty vomiting and bloody diarrhea, really what you need to do first is not feed anything. The reason I stopped using bone meal is that it is high in phosphorus and also um, it can carry heavy metals with it. So the general rule of thumb for calcium is 666 milligrams of calcium per pound of meat. So, but for right now, really nothing to eat. Go see the doc. If everything is good, then try things like turnips and um, boiled sweet potatoes, boiled white potatoes, and then like a rice congee that's super, super dilute. So I'm not sure what a 10 grain bone meal tablet is. That sounds pretty old fashioned. Um, and then we do have, through the rest of December, we've got free shipping on every order. And then for every order above $100, we'll send you a free bottle of turmeric, which is super awesome for controlling inflammation. And Marion, you are welcome. Um, and really glad to welcome all these new folks. This is so awesome. So Marion, April, Maria, Trish, and Lenny, welcome to the Crockpet Chefs group. Feel free to post your questions here, and or if you're not a Facebook person, then just email them to Dr. Ruth Roberts at drruthroberts.com. Um, let's see, get that. And let's see, let me put this article link in about microwaving food. And pop back over here. So the Aaron's got a question about dementia for pups, and lion's mane actually is great. So the Mycopause product we developed, the other sort of brain focused mushroom product is Shaga. And so as you can see, we've got lion's mane and Shaga here, as well as kind of everything else. So reishi, cordyceps, maitake, shiitake, agaricus, and turkey tailor. So this is really a full spectrum product. And I think that that is a great place to start. We also have a brain support protocol that includes alpha lipoic acid and then high doses of omega-3 fatty acids, things of that nature. So, Aaron, that would be a great place for your aunt to start. And 9 years old is pretty young for dementia, so I'm concerned there's something else going on, more like a chronic inflammatory process that's creating brain inflammation. So let's see if that makes a little more sense. But yeah, definitely get her to check out the um, brain support protocol. Um, let's see, let me make sure I've got all these questions. And Carrie is asking about the Glacier Peak sensitivity test and how do you deal with that? It's like everything in the universe your pup is sensitive to. And so there's a couple of things you can do. What we'll do is ideally take the ingredients that do work and form them into a rotation and elimination diet. And I will post that um, template in the Facebook group. And we'll get that up there for you. So pop over here. While that's posting. So there's that rotation diet template in the Facebook group for you. And I think that's all I've got for you this week. I am going to take off next Monday, but I will be back to do sort of a catch-up session on, let me see if I can get this to come back, on the 14th, I believe. Let me just double check the date so I'm not telling you the wrong thing. Yep, actually it'll be the 15th. So we'll be back on the 15th at 11:30 normal time. And then there should be a poll in the group asking you what is the best day? What is the best time for you? And so we'll take those questions into account and then create a new time based on what's best for everybody. So that's what I've got for you this week. I hope that you all have a wonderful week, and remember, your pet's best health starts in the bowl. I'm Dr. Ruth Roberts, your pet's ally.